Hey guys, old timers restoration. I'm messing with you guys. Hey, this is the car over here, and I bought this '81 for $5,000. Well, they said it was running, driving, working fine, but actually nothing works on it, and nothing's fine, and it's as old as Cooter Brown. So basically, I want to do a restoration, and so the first thing I'm going to do is take it in the shop and gonna pull the motor and take the body off and all that. And yeah, you know the ticket, right? So they said they used to be a show car. I doubt it, but they did do a bunch of extras on the body, Daytona, whatever that stuff is, the hood. It's yeah, I don't really like any of that, but man, they molded this dovetail back here, duckbill, whatever you call this thing, molded it into the car so it's not even to where you can take it off. I mean, you can take it off. I don't know. That may be the only weird looking part that's on there. It's fiberglass. It's not rubber. It's not polyurethane or whatever, or ABS. It's all that's fiberglass. Fiberglass or laminate, whatever they call that. And I want to do a restoration video and stuff, put it on YouTube, because there's not much on these old C3s. I mean, not the later C3s. There's some earlier C3s, but I suspect because these aren't popular at all, and they made 5,000 of them, you know. So I put this. The had wires coming out of it, so I put this new cable on there. I don't know why they make them so long. Is it to where you can wrap it around the distributor a couple of times and then secure it that way? If I knew how to actually melt lead and put a new end on there, I just cut the cable and make it straight. It's just so ridiculous. Well, you get aftermarket parts that just, well, actually, it's the same as the factory part. It's, I don't know why they did it like that. I guess it's supposed to hide down in there. I don't know. But anyway, got a lot of work to do. Hell, I'm sure there's rusted stuff underneath here. I'm looking for a website or maybe YouTube videos. Maybe I'll do a restoration on there and then do something about it every day, and that way I can get some feedback, because I have no clue what I'm doing on these Corvettes. I mean, I know what I'm doing on that 70 Pony. I don't know what that is. That's a 71 Mach 1. I restored it, and there wasn't nothing there, so got about $40,000 in parts. And back here is the shop. It's not really a shop. It's basically a garage. But I gotta pull that Corvette back here, and I'm gonna be putting that thing up on blocks. I've got a rotisserie. So this car here I'm finishing up for a client. I was doing it for myself. The guy wanted to buy it. He wanted to paint it white. I hate white. But painted it, put all the resto mods on there, put the floors in, did a lot of work on it. I mean, I can do restorations. I just don't like to run out of money and not have enough money to finish them, because this car deserves to be finished. I mean, someone else is going to finish it. It won't be me. So, I'm going to put the Corvette in here. And hopefully I get some followers and get some advice, and people would say, hey, you need to do this, you need to do that, and that'll help me out along the way. But yeah, so let's do it. Let's do this restoration, 1981. Nobody else is doing an 81, so let's do this 81 and make it look really cool, and just actually do a better job on it than what it's sitting at now. Make it a nice driver, and people will, it was black on black, so black on black, and all that front end is like a Daytona custom thing. hell, I thought I'd never get it in the driveway, but it's not that much lower than a regular Corvette. But yeah, so if you want to help me finish this, just chime in and whoa, it's a 4-speed. Yeah, 4-speed car, man. 111, 13,000 miles, 117. 117,000. Yeah, the guy said it's like 113,000. Yeah. Yeah, look at this. It's a junk, basically. Hopefully these floors aren't rusted out. This is the first year for the the computer. Got a big computer module in here. Yeah. I don't even know if that's all working or not. I don't know. Maybe take all that out. And so anyway, this is the intro for the 81, Rick's 81, and hopefully you guys will log into the channel and follow me, and then get some people that know what they're doing, and maybe they'll chime in and help me with this thing. It's a load of Corvette poo right now, so none of the lights are even there. All this is aftermarket stuff, so they had to build like fiberglass in little brackets and stuff that broke off. They didn't do it right. Got that piece there, it's broke. Yeah. So okay guys, let me know what you think, and please share and follow, and let's get this thing back on the road and make it safe and make it cool. The question is, if you're still with me, I'll know if you're with me, because the last question is 383 stroker or big block 427. Let me know in the comments, because otherwise I won't know what engine to put in. All right, later. Have a good one. Thank you for watching. Who cares? I'm not selling anything. I'm just doing it for the fun of it. Sorry, excuse me. I gotta go. Bye.